What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Gully Jacq here with Jacq and Key Boutique. We got another vintage mystery box right here. Today's vintage mystery box is from Quick Stop Vintage right out of Miami, Florida. This pack right here says 8 pounds, but this weighs more than my daughter, so I know it ain't 8 pounds. It's supposed to be 45 tees in here. It originally was gonna be 42 t-shirts for $210 shipped. And we ended up negotiating 3 more tees in there for $210 shipped. Let's get it. Came in a U-Haul box just like this. So the last mystery box that I got was from What a Fine 210 on Instagram. The shirt that I'm wearing right now came from her, along with this Jimmy Buffett 98 tee, this Taz tee right here, and then this Live and Let Live Cleveland Zoo t-shirt right there. It's got a double printed side on the front and back. So those are my top 3 from the last video. This one right here is about to go to my mom as soon as this video is done. So I went ahead and put it on because I know she'll enjoy watching this, seeing me wear this, rep her team from the 90s right here. So let's go ahead and get right into this pack. So we got a special guest in the house. You about to come over here? Come on over here. That's my brother's hand. He's trying not to be in the video. It's the same brother that helped me build this sound panel right here that I was telling y'all about in one of the previous videos. He acting all camera shy, like he can't open, like he can't be seen on Facebook or nothing like that. Top. I'm gonna let them fall out. That's what it looks like in the box. It's packed full. I'll try to run through these pretty quick. So, same way I've been doing the other ones. I'm gonna go by the tag first and then show y'all what's on the tee. So right here we got a Gildan heavyweight tag, made in USA. Double stitch, Miss Saigon, 1988. Brother's birthday year right there. Yeah, so it's got some crazy colors on it. Fruit of the Loom, made in USA, size large. Foot Locker. So say 6th annual Foot Locker Rainbow Classic, Busch Gardens, October 8th, 1988. That's another 88 tee. So that's single stitch. Colors on that is crazy. Champion tee. This is an old Champion tee, size large. Green Bay Packers, single stitched on that. Already 3 out of 3 on this box right here. Awesome, good pieces for the price that I'm paying for these. Tags ripped off of this right here. It's a Ringer tee. Granite Falls, the 6th annual King Times Basketball Classic, Champs 84. So it looks like it's coming from 84. Real nasty pit stains on there. Try to get those out. Touch of Gold tag, size large, made in USA. And a single stitch. Got a nice purple pony on there. Got some stains right here. Gonna try to get those out. Again, that's single stitch right there. Right here is a Special Tees tag, XL. Aim high, Air Force. Aim high, hey. Has anyone ever asked what you want to do? You better tell them you're gonna aim high, shit. Got a Fruit of the Loom, made in USA. Strive for Pride 93. Tampa Tribune. Colors on this, nice. Day City, Florida's premier 5K run. Single stitch. The back of it. That's the back of it right there. Strive for Pride 93. Nice long sleeve right there. This is a Fruit of the Loom, made in USA, size large. Nothing on the back. Bible scripture right here. Alright, this is a Fruit of the Loom, made in USA tag. Nothing on the back. St. Luke's Hospital 1992 women's run. Next up, got an All Pro Wear tag, made in USA, XL. Stanford Swim Camp, breaststroke blueprint for success. This looks like a race car tee. It's a Power Pro Juanita, size large. Bully Hill Racing Team, the underground screen printing. Definitely a nice one right there. Single stitch. Got another Juanita tag right here, Power Tee, size medium. 16th annual Steamboat Marathon, 1997 10K race. Right here it says Northwest on the sleeve right there. Got that hit. This tag's faded all the way off, so I don't even know what it is or what size it is. Beach Fest 92. Got a hole under the sleeve, but sleeves inside right here is purple. That. Next up, got a Hanes heavyweight 50/50 size extra large. In memory of Officer Walter Williams, a brave officer who served and protected Walter City Police. Next up, got a Fruit of the Loom, made in USA, size XL. That's the front right there. Just got some crazy colors on this right here. Tag ripped off of it. Walk America, walk for someone you love. March of Dimes, 1997. Guess you got the sponsors on the back. This is the first one of the Fruit of the Loom's best tags I've seen in here, made in USA. Long sleeve, 11th annual Great Pumpkin Race. We ain't even halfway through the box yet. That's what the rest of it's looking like in here. So this right here is a Fruit of the Loom heavy cotton tag, size XL. Jingle Bell, 14th annual Jingle Bell Run, December 11th, 1996. St. Petersburg, Florida. It's a single stitch. Got that hit right there. And the same thing on that side. Then on the back, you got Bowley Center's Jingle Bell Run, Mutual of America. All the different sponsors back there. Next up, got a Hanes Comfort Tee, adult medium. Believer, I believe life is more than survival. I believe the heart is more than a muscle. I believe in hope and freedom. I believe we can know right from wrong. I believe my life can make a difference. I believe the message of the cross. What do you believe? It's a powerful t-shirt right there. So next up, we got a Screen Stars XL. This is a smaller Screen Stars tag though. It's not the black one that I'm used to seeing. Single stitch. Try burning this one. See a jerseys made in USA, size large. 8th annual Arbritas Firecracker 10K race. On the back, got the sponsors right there. This has got a signature on it. Fruit of the Loom Loft Tees, size large. Brenda White and the boys, that's embroidered right there. Then the back right there. Shout out to Brenda White. Right here, we got a Fruit of the Loom made in USA, size XL. The Newsboys? But it looks like the Newsboys. I might be tripping. Tags ripped off. Well, not ripped off, but it doesn't have a brand on it. Size XL, made in USA. So Ringer Tee from Monopuff. Next up, got a Chest Premium Tee, 100% cotton, made in USA. Tag right there, size large. General and Majors, right there on the back. This right here is a Screen Stars best tag, made in USA. Nothing on the back of it. Right here you got Memorial Stadium. Right here, got a Fruit of the Loom, made in USA, size large. Tag right here, take 6. Next up, got a Hanes heavyweight adult large tag right here. Quality, excellent, commitment is what I see on the back. Corporate Run 1998, New York Life. Definitely got a bunch of running and racing t-shirts, marathon type t-shirts in this one. And I'm not complaining about it. Size small. So nothing on the back. And got that right there on the front. Which reminds me of something like Star Trek. Cotton Deluxe by Anvil XL. Made in USA. US Indoor Comcast 94. Next up, got a Levi's made in USA tag, vintage, size medium. Levi's jeans, black on black, single stitch. Next up, got a Power Pro by Juanita, extra large. Says who knew on the front, who knew network solutions from start to finish. I took the GTE Challenge 1997. Giant tag on this right here, size large. Superman t-shirt right here, got 1996. Next up, okay, got a Star Wars, old Star Wars tag right there, 2XL. Got a Darth Maul tank top. I thought it was a t-shirt, but no, it's actually a tank top. This is stitched right here. Life Forms tag right here, size medium, made in USA. Life Forms on the back. Says Strike Zone, Bring It On, 1998. In the front, you just got that right there. Touch of Gold tag right here. size medium. That's the back right there. 9th annual Halloween. Dog, this is crazy. Like, you know, they call Harley's Hogs, so this is 9th annual Halloween, 1997. You got a wicked witch on the back of there right there, riding off into the moon. Then you got the bats on there. I thought this was a Batman tee, low-key at first, when I saw it in the pictures. Then I saw the Harley logo, and it said Halloween. I was like, but that's crazy. That's dope right there. See, Stedman by Haynes, Adult XL. Right here. Blue Angels, Robbins Air Force Base, Georgia, 1998. It's a real nice, crazy U.S. Navy. Double stitched. Nothing on the back right there. Let's see what we still got left. We still got a little bit left in here. Got a Nike tag right here. This is a white Nike tag. KDL Basketball Camp, XL. Got an Anvil brand made in USA, size large. The Three Stooges, Moe, Larry, and Curly. Next up, I got a Screen Star, size XL. Nelly's Farm Fund, 2-tone, 1986. See a made exclusively for BMW tag right here, size large. That's definitely a nice piece right there. Luxury Foreign Boys with the BMW Beamer logo right there embroidered. Got the BMW colors on the sleeves right there and on the collar. Got a H.L. Miller Total T, size XL, made in USA. This is a Montu Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, Florida. Tags ripped off of this right here. So I don't know much about it. Ocean Pacific is what I'm seeing on the back. And OP, I guess that's what that stands for right there. Ocean Pacific on the front. Next up, I got a Fruit of the Loom, made in USA, size large, adult. Dave and Buster's, There's No Place Quite Like It, Philadelphia. Nothing on the back. Single stitch. Winterland Productions, size extra large. XL in here. Melissa Etheridge Tour, 1995. Still in real good condition. Okay. Then he put at the bottom of the box, I guess, 2 nice bangers. These are both crew necks right here. First one is a Fruit of the Loom tag, size XL. That's the back of it. And that's the front. Oh, the back's crazy. Amazon, South America Rainforest. Yeah, that's a nice piece right there. I'll keep that in the personal for a little bit. I'm happy with that right there. And last but not least, I think he tried to save one of the best for last with this piece right here. Got a Coca-Cola tag right there. And then, hey, you know, there's probably some liquor in there, bro. He look like he been getting turned up all day long. American Marketing Works, textile print, 1993. So this is a Coke sweatshirt from 1993. We're gonna try to get these stains out of there. If we can't, oh well. But this is gonna be in the personal as well for a little bit. Got a rip right there, and that's always good. That's the last piece for that box. Now I'm about to count through them real quick just to make sure it's 45. Because originally he said there was 8 t-shirts in here that had giant tags on them. I only saw 1 giant tag out of this box, so I can't trust him no more on that front. So we just gonna have to count these real quick and make sure it's actually 45 like he promised. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 44, 45, 46, 47. He made up for that right there because they ended up not having the 8 giant tags that he said that he put in here during the message, but overall the box was really nice. I can't complain at all about the box and the fact that it was originally going to be 42 tees, and then we agreed on 45, and he ended up putting 2 extra in there to make it 47 for a total of $210 shipped. So It's under $4.50 a shirt, so I definitely can't complain. Nearly every single one of these tees, if not all of them, I'll be able to double, triple my money on. Some of them definitely will be able to quadruple my money on. So down below in the comments, let me know what your favorite t-shirt out of this pack was. If it wasn't a t-shirt, let me know if it was one of the crew necks or the long sleeve shirts. Let me know what your favorite piece out of this unboxing was. And stay tuned because I got 2 more vintage boxes on the way that should be here anytime. I've got a 67 pack on the way from PNT Vintage, who still has the crown as of now for the best vintage mystery box that I've unboxed thus far on my channel. And I've got a, I think, 13 piece on the way from a guy named Fuzzy Treasures that has a YouTube and does Instagram as well, selling the vintage stuff. So I actually know what all the stuff that I'm getting from Fuzzy Treasures is. We worked out a wholesale deal, and that's on the way. But I've got to unbox the mystery box from the second one from PNT Vintage. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back real soon with y'all. As soon as the pack comes, you know, I'm gonna unbox it and be right here with y'all with it. Restock coming soon. Everything you see in this box right here. None of this stuff, too much of it is going to be for personal. So this is 47 right here. Amber Medellin, which who goes by What a Fine 210. I got 13 tees from her, then 100 tees from PNT Vintage. We got 13 coming from Fuzzy Treasures, and then 67 more coming from PNT Vintage. So just stay tuned to the Depop at Jacq and Key, and all of this stuff is going to be going up there as soon as I can get it washed, laundered, get the stains out, and start taking pictures and listing everything. So if it's not there whenever you go, keep checking back. It'll be there soon. It's going to be a good month ahead of us. So be sure to make sure you already like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you can know every time I put out a new video, because YouTube don't let you know unless you hit that notification bell. So do that for your boy one time and go show somebody some love today. Peace, love, and thank God it's a new day.